You want to take control of your health, but you just don't have the time. In this week's episode of The Other 165, we're sharing a time-saving lifestyle hack that will help you add 4 powerful nutrition habits with less than 5 minutes of work.
What's up, friends? Coach Ed here with Results Driven. Welcome to our new lifestyle series, The Other 165. You've decided it's time to change your life. Will 3 hours a week in the gym be enough? Your time in the gym is important, but how you live your life the other 165 hours will determine whether or not you reach your goals.
Hey friends, the biggest obstacle that prevents people from reaching their goals is time. If you're anything like most of our amazing members, you have to balance your commute, that annoying job, and your kids actually wanting to have a life. There's not much time left for you. If your time is that limited, each change we make needs to be impactful, time efficient, and if possible, cover more than one habit at a time. If you already eat 3 meals per day, simply having 2 protein shakes between meals can help make sure you eat every 2 to 4 hours and have protein, vegetables, and healthy fat with every meal. But cleaning that damn blender is a pain in the ass and takes forever. So what we recommend is using a self-cleaning blender. Now this isn't some brand new technology, it's just a simple tweak to make sure your process of making 2 shakes a day is much more efficient. What we recommend is making 2 shakes at the same time, so you only have to clean the blender 1 time. We all hate cleaning the blender. I actually stopped making shakes for a few months until I found out this trick, because I didn't want to wash it. I'm always afraid I'm gonna cut myself on the blade. It's never happened, but I'm scared. And it just takes extra time to clean the blender. It was enough that I didn't want to do it. So how do you turn your blender into a self-cleaning blender? It's actually so simple, I'm kind of embarrassed I didn't think of it earlier. You just put hot water and soap in the blender, and then run the blender again. It'll clean it, and then all you have to do is rinse it off. There's a few things that are super important to make this strategy actually efficient. I say it only takes 5 minutes, but if you're buying fresh berries and fresh vegetables, it's gonna require you to make more trips to the grocery store. So make sure you have a protein brand like DotFit that you trust. Make sure your vegetable and fruit are frozen so they last longer, and make sure your fat source is shelf stable like coconut oil or avocado oil. And then simply make 2 shakes at once and use the simple trick I told you earlier to make sure cleaning the blender is much easier and much quicker. Just like any of the other changes you need to make in your lifestyle and in your nutrition, it's the simple things that give you the biggest bang for your buck. Thank you for joining us for the second episode of The Other 165. It's our goal with this series to help give you the simple lifestyle and nutrition hacks that have helped our members become the strong, healthy versions of themselves that they always wanted to be. If this content was helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of the other social medias. Can you say that? Social medias? Either way, I'm done. See you next week. Meals can help make, So to recap, and your fruit be from source is your fat source is shelf stable. Make sure you have a protein